Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into a story that sounds like it's straight out of a cyber thriller movie, but trust me, it's very real. It's about a colossal international police operation that's taken down a massive ransomware network. So let's get into it. Imagine this. A network so vast that it spans across continents, involving countries like Germany, the Netherlands, France, Denmark, Ukraine, the United States, and the United Kingdom. This operation, codenamed Endgame, is not just another day at the office for the police. It's the largest international operation against ransomware to date. Ransomware, for those who might not know, is a type of malicious software. It locks you out of your devices or encrypts your files, and then the culprits demand a ransom to give you back control. It's a nightmare scenario for anyone, especially businesses and public institutions. Now let's talk numbers. The operation led to the arrest of 4 high-value suspects and the takedown of over 100 servers. Even more impressive, more than 2,000 internet domains were seized. These aren't small-time crooks. These operations are sophisticated, well-organized, and until now, seemed almost untouchable. Eurojust and the European Union's justice and police agencies spearheaded this operation. They've sent a loud and clear message: the digital world is not a lawless frontier. Stan Duif from the Dutch National Police said something that really sticks out: you always leave tracks, nobody is unfindable, even online. That's a stark warning to cybercriminals everywhere. Martina Link, the deputy head of Germany's Federal Criminal Police Office, described this as the biggest international cyber police operation so far. This isn't just about arresting criminals, it's about dismantling an infrastructure that's been a significant threat to global cybersecurity. What does this mean for us? Well, it highlights the importance of international cooperation in tackling cyber threats. Cybersecurity isn't just about having the right software or tools. It's about countries and organizations working together to keep the digital space safe for all of us. So, what are your thoughts on this massive operation? Are you surprised by the scale of this sting? How do you think this will impact the future of cybersecurity? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video informative, give it a like and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Stay safe online and see you in the next video.